Good morning, good morning, good morning. My name is Victoria Walker, and I am the CEO of ValueCorp Global, your favorite value delivery strategy brand. This morning, I want to ask you a simple question. What guides your investment choices? Yesterday, I missed my broadcast yesterday, but I'm really sorry about that. I had an emergency to attend to. Right now, I want to ask you a question. What guides your investment choices? Many persons have been victims of Ponzi schemes and scams over the years, and it seems like we have a way of repeating the same vicious cycle over and over again without learning our lessons. The human nature seems to be drawn to this need to make quick gains. And at the end of the day, even though same persons have gone through the same kind of experiences when it comes to being victims of being a victim of Ponzi or being a victim of get rich quick schemes, they still fall prey to all this, to the same thing over and over again. They always hope, this hopeful part of the human being always hope to make more gains. Maybe this time around it's going to be work out fine. Maybe this time around I'll make more gains. Maybe this time around I'll recover my losses. But the truth is, there are principles to life. There is no shortcut to anything, even into making money. There are principles to everything. And and sometimes all these Ponzi schemes and get rich quick schemes do, what they do is to make the real opportunities blurry, that other people don't even believe that those real opportunities are even real. Now, there are things that you should point out, that you should see when you to guide your investment choices. It's better for you to invest an amount of money that you be willing to detach from, because most times, no matter how promising that investment is, no matter how good, no matter how the fundamentals are looking, always make sure you invest an amount of money you'll be willing to detach from. It's better for you to compound your profits from your investments than to carry all your life savings, your rent money, your last feeding money, hoping that the money multiply overnight. The real life scenarios don't happen like that. And the one thing about Ponzi schemes and get rich quick schemes is that they have a way of getting a few persons to have very good testimonials, and then people that follow come along, see those testimonials, and they feel like, oh wow, this is legit. Nothing in life comes that easy unless God decides to favor you. Learn to follow principles. Learn to look at how long, what are the features that will make this thing long lasting. If you're going to do any multi-level marketing business, if you're going to be part of any multi-level marketing business, make sure that they are either offering you a product, a service, or a training. If there's no product, no service, no training, please do not be a part of it. Because the thing is that this product, services, or training helps to sustain the system. There has to be something tangible that will be almost equal to the amount of money that you're investing. So if you're going to make investment choices, sit down well and do your due diligence. That's what we call in crypto. There's a term we call in crypto, DIOR. Do your own research. Many persons are in investment schemes and they don't even know how the thing really works. All they know is that someone told them, all you have to do is just put your money. Come on, it's your money, it's your earning, it's your sweat. You're supposed to do the due diligence of making your research, doing your research. Study, give time. That money that you have is worth the time you invest in finding more about what you want to put your money into. Every single day you see somebody being a victim of one Ponzi or the other, or one get rich quick scheme or the other. So it's very important that you do your own research. It's worth that time. If you're willing to invest 100k, 1 million naira, 10 million naira into an investment platform or anything, then that amount of money deserves 10 minutes of your time of research, deserves 1 hour of your time of research. So that tomorrow you don't start, telling stories that touch or start crying. I'm not saying that every legit platform is 100% sure. There's no 100% guarantee anywhere. But at least, if that platform is legit, you have 90% chances of making it in that platform. Now, we have coming into cryptocurrency and blockchain. There are so many good platforms. But of course, wherever there is a fake, there's also the genuine one. If there's a fake, there's a genuine one. So there's so many fake out there, preying on people that have zero knowledge or almost no knowledge about Bitcoin, about cryptocurrency, about the blockchain. Because people, the human being just wants, oh, please, where can I put my money and just cash it out? So they take advantage of those people because they don't have any real knowledge about what cryptocurrency is all about. The most interesting thing is that if you tell human beings, okay, we're offering you this free training, come and learn about this thing, come and learn what this thing really is, they won't join. But if you ask them, okay, give me your 10K, don't worry, we'll cash out tomorrow for 8 hours, 72 hours, they'll rush immediately and go and invest their money without even knowing what the thing is really is about. They don't want to go through that headache. But like I said earlier, if you have 100K to put in an investment, if you have 1 million to put in an investment, then that money deserves 10 minutes of your time of research. Always do the due diligence of research. Always do your research about any investment you want to do, including crypto. There are so many good crypto platforms. There are so many also fake out there. There are good coins to invest in. There are also so many coins that the minute you put your money inside it goes down the hill. So my point this morning is, what guides your investment choices? As much as you really, really want to everybody wants to make money, but what there's no point in putting the little money that you've made into somewhere and then wake up tomorrow morning and find out that the platform has crashed. Do your due diligence about that investment platform before you invest your money. Your money deserves that time. Coming into cryptocurrency is simply money evolved. Money has evolved from what you used to know it as. All the way from trade by barter, down to gold, down to calories, down to metal coins, down to plastic cards, down to ATM machines, down to paper money. And now we are in cryptocurrency, digital money. You don't have to see it, you don't have to touch it, but it gives you value and you can use it to pay for goods and services. Now, this is one part that most people don't even know about. But they've joined one Ethereum Ponzi or the other. So my point is, if you are going to do any investment, please do the due diligence of research. Do your research. 10 minutes is okay. 20 minutes is fine. 1 hour, even better. Spend that time. That time that you would have used to, someone convincing you to just put your money. Don't worry, don't even bother your head about it. Please bother your head about it. It's your money. That money deserves your research. So that we can reduce the number of persons that always fall victims to all this put 10K, get 20K, put 5K, get 100 million or whatever. So if you're going to invest in crypto, it's advisable that you go and get knowledge about it. Compared to last year, there are more information about cryptocurrency and blockchain than there is today. There is more information about cryptocurrency today than yesterday, than last year. If you go to websites, there are lots of books, there are lots of videos you can watch. So what's the point? Do you know the most interesting thing is that there's YouTube and there's Google. Just Google it. Just search, just use your YouTube, and you will have tons of information at your beck and call. Sometimes it's really, really amazing how some people just ask you some questions and you must be wondering. There is Google, there's YouTube. Use it. It's for your use. It's one of the free. It's a free university to go to. You can learn anything there. Then when you now have questions, look for someone that is an expert in that area or someone that's been in that field that has an experience in that field to clarify for you. So please, whatever that guides your investment choices, make sure you do your due research. Do your research about that, whatever investment you want to do. And make sure you use money that you'll be willing to detach from emotionally. Not when you lose the money, it wrecks you. Don't use the amount of money that will wreck you. It's better that you make 100% on a small amount of funds than to lose a large amount of funds. It's better to compound your profit gradually. Compound it gradually. When you make 50%, you compound it another 50% gradually, build gradually. There's no rush. At the end of the day, all of us will still meet ourselves next year, and then you find out that, oh, if I had known, I would have had the patience. I would have waited for this thing to grow. Because most times, most investment choices are made out of impatience. We want to cash out now. But at the end of the day, that your shortcut will end up being a long cut, because it ends up bringing you back to where you started from. So please make right investment choices. We have a high rate of financial illiteracy in this region. So many people don't really have the financial literacy that they need to make the amount of money they really want. Ask somebody, an average person, how much do you want? They'll be willing to cut plenty of money, but are you ready to get that financial literacy you need that will help you make the amount of money that you want? If you have 100K to put in an investment, then that 100K deserves your time to research about that investment. Do your due diligence. If you have any questions about cryptocurrency, about blockchain, you can ask me. I will guide you. I have a free community where I teach people, at least bring you up to date, up to speed on some things, on some basic things that you need to know. I have a YouTube channel that you can go to. Just search Value Cup. You find the YouTube channel. You have tons of things to learn there. And I keep updating you every day because it's all about value for me. It's always value first. So, what do you think about this audio? You can leave a comment in the comment section. Have you ever been a victim of put 10K, get 20K platforms? What are the advices that you will give someone who wants to make an investment? I want to hear from you. Thank you very much. I'm still your favorite value delivery strategist. Have a good day.